TravelInfinite Trails today brings you a very different video. We have given you many travel videos, and today we thought we will brief you about what you should carry when you travel. Travel accessories play a crucial role in enhancing the overall travel experience, providing convenience, comfort, and functionality. Here's a list of essential travel accessories across various categories. Starting with luggage, suitcases are the must-have ones. Be sure to pick something durable, lightweight, and preferably with built-in TSA-approved locks. Backpacks come as a necessity for day trips or as carry-on luggage, with padded compartments for electronics is a good choice. Include travel organizers to pack cubes, toiletry bags, and shoe bags, which helps to keep belongings organized. As for electronics, vlog camera, compact and high quality, is a good option for capturing travel memories. Portable chargers like power banks are needed for keeping devices charged on the go. Not to forget universal adapter, to plug in devices in different countries. GPS watch is ideal for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts for accurate navigation. Download travel apps for maps, translation, and currency conversion apps for smartphones. As for footwear, trekking shoes, sturdy and comfortable for hiking and long walks, are a must. Foldable flats for compact shoes for comfort during long flights or after a day of walking will be handy. As for camping gear, camping tent of lightweight and easy to set up for outdoor adventures are available and are useful. Sleeping bag, compact and suitable for different weather conditions, also come in handy when camping. Portable stove, for cooking meals while camping, is needed. For comfort and health, neck pillow provides support during long flights or bus rides. And first aid kit is essential for addressing minor injuries and health issues. Carry water bottle, collapsible or with a built-in filter for convenience. As for security, travel locks to secure luggage and backpacks with combination or key locks cannot be overlooked. Remember to carry RFID blocking wallet, which protects against electronic theft of credit card information. As for entertainment, carry an e-reader which is compact and lightweight for reading on the go. Get a noise-cancelling headphone, for a more enjoyable travel experience. When it comes to clothing, carry quick dry towel, lightweight and dry quickly for use during outdoor activities. Also a rain jacket, waterproof and packable for unexpected weather changes, is needed. Remember to customize your travel accessories based on the type of trip you're taking and the activities you have planned. Packing efficiently and thoughtfully can greatly enhance your travel experience. We have some of the carefully chosen items put together in one place. Do check the link below in the description to check out the travel accessories. If you found this video useful, do like and subscribe.